Is your phone still the headphone icon even after unplug your headphones? Don't reset your phone yet because the problem is usually caused by a simple setting. Let's fix it step by step. First, I will unplug my headphones. Now I will open YouTube and play a video. As you can see, the headphone icon is still showing and the sound is not coming from the phone speaker. Let's fix it. Open settings and tap Bluetooth. If your earbuds or Bluetooth speaker is still connected, tap the connected device and choose disconnect or forget device. Now back to YouTube and play another video. If the sound is coming from phone speaker now, your problem is solved. If not, let's try the next fix. Sometimes YouTube disconnected on the screen, but the sound still keeps the audio output connected to the device. Disconnecting or getting the device forces the phone to switch the sound back to the speaker. If you are using a Samsung phone, swipe down from the top of the screen, open the quick panel, tap media output. If your earbuds are selected, change the output to this phone or phone speaker. Now play another YouTube video and check the sound again. If your phone does not have this option, don't worry, move to the next step. Now press and hold the power button to tap restart. After your phone turned back, play a YouTube video again. A simple restart can clear temporary audio glitches that sometimes keep the headphone mode active. If the problem is still there, open setting and tap software update. If a new update is available, download and install it. If after the update, test your speaker again. Finally, check your phone headphone jack and USB-C charging port. If you see dust, lint or moisture, carefully clean it. A dirty port can make the phone think headphones are still connected even when they are not. Now play one more video and see if the sound is come back to the phone speaker. If your phone is still stuck in headphone mode, comment your phone model below and subscribe me for more Android troubleshooting videos. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Sonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.